Hi friends, so welcome everyone to today's trade, and let us try to understand how we did our trade today, how we executed our plan which we had in our mind, how we took the directions for today, and also end of the video we'll try to explain what is going to be the plan for the next day, that is next week when you're going to start the trade, how is that we're going to find our levels for trading. So let me just show you today's trades. Had tried recording the video. Okay, so it was a slight gap up opening. You can't say a big gap or something. Although because of the Chinese fight which is happening, we thought there's going to be a lot of volatility. There's going to be a lot of gap up and gap down and all those things. But it was hardly a big gap, hardly much of a difference. And also today the Fed meeting which was there really was not having a big impact. Okay, so you can see VIX also is cooling down. This is something which I almost look always. Okay, so I just took a small positions. I have taken a neutral position as of now. I just took small, only 10 lots quantity only, because the Fed meeting was there, announcements were there. But as you are already aware, there was no big challenge after the Fed meeting. There was no hardly any spikes or nothing of that sort happened. Okay, so might be we all wasted the good profits which we were supposed to get for today. Okay, nevertheless market is always there for us, so taking small positions. So presently I took a neutral position, and there is okay. Now coming back to the levels which we discussed yesterday. So 38,000 was a level which we discussed yesterday, which is going to be bullish for us, and on the lower side it was 37,500, which we had planned, which we had as per analysis yesterday we had found out this is going to be the range. In case if Bank Nifty is trading within this range, it's going to be neutral, and above this or below this are going to be the areas where it is going to break out, or we can say break down. Okay, so apart from that, looking into the minor swings which are there, okay, there are slight minor wings, immediate swings which you can see here. Okay, at this present level of 37,650 also you can see a slight swing is there. This is the area at which it tried to close yesterday as well. It can become a significant importance for us because the gap is a bit high, 500 points gap is there. So immediately support you can find it over there. And then let us look into the open interest as well. You can see here there's a big tower here, and this can also act as a very good support for us. It's at 37,800. so you can see already Bank Nifty has bounced at this level as well. Okay, see here you can see there was a bounce over here previous day as well. Okay, so there was almost a bounce, two bounces on the previous day. Today also it was trying to take support at that level already. So 38,000 can be a good level. 37,800 can be a good support for us, breaching which we can go short in Bank Nifty as well. So this is the overall plan. Okay, so this is what Bank Nifty talks to us. If at all you observe the charts carefully, Bank Nifty will talk to us. We just have to patiently observe and then find out the levels where there is going to be support and resistance. Okay, now coming back to the positions which we took, it is as of now there is no much of movement, so it is just moving silently. Okay friends, so now you can see time is around 10 o'clock, and you can see the breakout has happened. So this is the 38,000 breakout which is happening, and mind you 38,000 is going to be a very big resistance, because it's a very psychological figure, and don't expect it to immediately jump out from that level. There will be a lot of pullback at this level, so I am expecting a good pullback at this level. So I am not going fully naked about this level. What I'll do is I'll try to make a biased strangle, in which my put value will be higher than the call value. This was the game plan which I kept for today, because I don't want to go fully bullish. Okay, I'll just show you how is that I did the adjustments. Okay, so this is the breakout which I'm talking about. You can see that slightly the positions as of now you can see the put positions are higher than the call values. This is what I was talking about. Okay, so I closed the existing put which was there. Okay, and then I have taken a higher value of put. This is nothing but this is called as rolling up your puts. Okay, so when the put values are reducing, you are increasing the put value to much higher value. Okay, and also I have booked profits in the previous put. So I have not booked losses in any leg, I have only booked the profits in my previous position which was there, and I have moved up my put position because market is going up. And this is what is called as a biased strangle, where you can see we are bullish. It's not 100% bullish, but it is slightly bullish. You can say 50% kind of bullish. So it can reverse. In case if it moves sideways from here also, we will be in good profits, and in case if it reverses also, the losses is going to be minimal. That is the overall idea. The main idea, as I told you, is 38,000. It's not easy to break out that level. That is why I have taken this kind of positions. I have not gone fully naked. Okay, and also I am not yet added my more positions. I was just waiting for the Fed meeting to get over to see that in case if there is any spikes or something which is going to happen. Okay, so presently this is how we are positioned, and we need to at least get good candles which are above 38,000. But you can see time is now close to 10:30, but still market is just consolidating. It is just trying to move sideways. So this is what I was just talking to you, friends. I do not go fully bullish because I know 38,000 is going to be a very good resistance area. So I try to maintain a strangle itself. So that is why you can see now in the sideways market, I am in a very good decent profits. I have not lost money. Its market is moving sideways, and I am making money in a sideways market as well as of now. That's the beauty. Okay. Now time close to 11 o'clock, the meeting is over, Fed meeting is over, and slightly you can see that Bank Nifty is trying to pick up as of now, but it was that movement was still trying. It is still in the consolidation area. It is we need to have a very good breakout of above this level, only then we can go completely bullish. Otherwise we have to continue with this strangle itself. So you can see, since I made a bullish bias, I am in a good decent profit of around 13,000, 15,000 as of now. Okay, so now it's time for me to add positions, because from morning I was just silently sitting. So I just added 30 more lots, slowly adding step by step. Okay, because I can see that the prices are picking up, so the VIX also will reduce in case if the prices start going up, and it is good time to add positions. Okay, so this is how the game plan. Okay, but nevertheless, as I told you, 38,000 is going to be a big figure area above. I mean, at area where there is going to be a lot of people, those who have taken positions. So I am not expecting a very big jump immediately. So very soon we can expect a reversal. So that is why I am keeping my call positions also intact. I am not closing my call positions. I am just trying to reduce the positions at call. Okay. So friends, so this is what I was talking about. Now you can see the reversal has happened. It has come back into our zone 38,000 which I had marked. It has come back into 38,000, and also the super trend indicator you can see has already given indication that the prices are going to go down. That is nothing but the reversals have happened, and this was exactly what I was talking to you about at 11 o'clock, that we can expect a reversal happening, because at 38,000 there was not immediate jump. It was just trying to consolidate. If at all it was a very good this thing, it would have jumped immediately when it crossed 30,000, but it was moving sideways, so I expected it to return it back, because there's going to be a lot of people, those who have taken positions over there, they won't let you go so easily. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. And now, since Bank Nifty has tried to reverse come back, I switch my position. Okay, I add little more positions as well. I switch my positions. Now you can see that my call values are much higher than the put values, because I have rolled the options again. It is not that I am a bullish now, I am trying to look little bearish. So you can see that the call values are higher compared to the put values. By this, what happens is, even in case if Bank Nifty remains sideways also, I will be in good profits. If it goes down, I will be in good profits, and if it reverses from this position, I will be in slightly loss only. So the overall concept is reduce your losses and make sure that you get very good profits. This is the policy which I always follow, and this is what you can see presently. It's going as per our plan. You can see almost we have reached 21,000 profits, and time is around close to 1 o'clock. So being Friday, there is no good much decay, but I should say comparative to other Fridays, this Friday was decent enough. There was good profits, and below this level 37,800, I am expecting market to be very bearish. So I'll go naked below that level till then I will try to keep my positions biased, in the sense I'll try to keep it strangle itself. Okay, so you can see that it is just moving sideways. Time is now close to 3 o'clock. Bank Nifty has just moved sideways. Okay, and taking a strangle, bias strangle has always helped us, because it gives us good money even if the market is going sideways. See, you can see continuously from this 38,000 level, it has just tried to maintain the sideways movement. Initially there was a pull, again you can see slight zigzag kind of thing, but overall if at all you see, it was a smooth day. There was no much big kind of thing, and also the profit were decent enough, 32,000 profit also for us. And being a Friday with a small capital, I have not invested full of my capital. I just took little capital only. With 50 lakhs only I have traded today, and that too you can see I took my positions only after 11 o'clock, much of my positions after 11 o'clock, because of the Fed event, and we were able to generate a decent returns with the limited capital which we have used for today. And this is how the trade went on. Okay, now let us look into the trade plan for next day, that is on Monday, when you are taking up positions. Okay, so 38,000 will still continue to be a good resistance area. Now let us look into the support areas, friends. You can see here Bank Nifty has jumped, okay, rebounded many times from this particular level. Okay, you can see here multiple times it has rebounded from this particular level, and that is nothing but 37,850. right. So 37,850 is going to be an area where there is going to be a lot of support, and 38,000 I am still keeping that level, because today also it did not breach and go that level. So 38,000 is going to be an area of resistance. So above 38,000 I am going to go bullish, in case it depends on how the market opens. Okay, so above 38,000 I will be bullish, and below 37,850 I will be bearish, and in case if Bank Nifty is trading within this range I will be neutral. And what is that neutral, bullish, bearish? How is that you allocate this? I always say I allocate my funds into three categories, that is directional, non-directional and semi-directional as well. So based on where the market is, I allocate more funds towards directional, and I allocate little fund towards non-directional, or you can say semi-directional. So you need to have a bias, you need to have an understanding how market is going to go, and this will really help us to gain little more profits comparatively. If at all you have taken normal system trades, you will just get little average profits, but by identifying the directions of the market, where market might go, it's not that 100% it might go, there are 50% chance of it going. So as per my level, if at all I get a directional bias, that is if Bank Nifty moves in my area where I have told it's going to be directional, then I will be allocating more funds towards directional trading. And if it remains in the range which I have mentioned, then I will be spending more money towards non-directional trading. So this is how you allocate. It's not that blindly daily divide your capital into three parts and allocate for directional, non-directional, semi-directional. It's not like that. You need to play little smart. Okay, because you are trading with many smart people, you need to be little smart. This is what action steps I have taken. I have improved myself. It's not that it came from the beginning itself. I have evolved myself slowly, and I am very comfortable with this level. Okay friends, so hope you liked yesterday's analysis and today's analysis as well, and let us see how the analysis is going to go on Monday as well. Okay, and also I will be coming on ET markets, so if at all you want to join on ET markets live with me, you can join. During live markets I will try to explain the market analysis as well. So the link I'll try to put on WhatsApp. In case if you want any support, any training or anything of that sort, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095876525, and many of them who wanted to get my live trades in equity, stocks and options, then you can open trading app in Upstocks or in Zerodha, and you can join my Telegram group as well. Okay friends, so thank you and have a nice day.